for the Colorado Avalanche. Oh, and would you look who that is right there? Stop that music.
Stop right there. I gotta know right now.
Because, guys, we pulled one of those rookies we're looking for. Woo-hoo-hoo. Last sold in about a month ago. $219 in a PSA 10. It is Sidney Crosby in the rookie card. Woo-hoo. Crosby in the red. There we go. Not bad, not bad. That's a nice pull. I shouldn't say not bad. That's a great pull. Adam Willett. There you go, in the chat. Sid the Kid, you're dang right. All right, let's sleeve him up. Put a little GR on that. All right, Adam. We still got 2 more of these down the line for you. How about it?